Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about a product you probably already know, Vicks VapoRub. Did you know it has more uses than you can imagine? Keep watching to discover them. To start, what is Vicks VapoRub? It is an ointment that is applied to the skin to relieve nasal congestion, cough, and muscle aches. It's like a great ally when you have a cold, are congested, or your muscles ache after training. And how does it work? Its secret lies in the combination of menthol, camphor, and eucalyptus. Menthol and camphor create a cooling sensation that helps you breathe better when you inhale its vapor. In addition, eucalyptus helps to decongest the airway. How is it used? It's very easy. For nasal congestion and cough, apply a thin layer on the chest and throat. You can do this up to 3 times a day. If your muscles ache, massage the ointment on the affected area. And don't forget to wash your hands well after using it. Let's talk now about side effects and precaution. In some cases, it can cause skin irritation. It is important to avoid applying it on wounds or damaged skin, and you must also be careful not to let it come into contact with your eyes. And of course, if you are allergic to any of its ingredients, it is best not to use. In summary, Vicks VapoRub is an effective product with many uses to relieve nasal congestion, cough, and muscle aches. Just remember to use it carefully and follow the instructions. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. See you in the next one.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.